Welcome back to GR8 TECH Pole Position Performance, your trusted companion for streamlining your iGaming platform with the GR8 TECH's unified back office. But before we accelerate into action, let's review what we are dealing with today.
Hey pal, our competitors are using AI for player acquisition and retention. Do you guys have anything like that in your toolbox?
Hi there! You bet! The new UBO has some killer AI integrations that will supercharge your growth.
Sounds promising. When can I come over to the GR8 TECH garage?
Whenever you have time, I'm here. Today, I'll introduce you to the new capabilities of our unified back office, a powerful tool designed to help your iGaming venture to get ahead of the competition. To answer our clients' request, we do indeed have the AI capabilities powered in our platform. The GR8 team created advanced AI and machine learning models to offer extensive customization features within UBO. This integration not only simplifies management tasks, but also enhances user engagement through recommendations, ensuring your platform stands out in the competitive iGaming landscape. Let's see how to install the AI-powered sports personalization widget with the GR8 TECH unified back office. This widget can use a recommendation model to offer each user a customized selection of events and increase their retention, with their favorite sport being front and center on the screen. You can use it for various purposes, and here are a few. 1. Let machine learning models automatically set up sports sections and events based on trends and popularity. 2. Don't allow one sport to dominate your platform. Suggest users' favorite sports to ensure equal visibility for all. 3. Increase revenue by maximizing player engagement with their favorite sports. And 4. Minimize the need for manual adjustments in sports lineup. And here how it works. In the unified back office, go to CMS and click on Widgets. Fill out the necessary fields to customize the widget. Select the recommendation model for sports selection. Specify the sports display order in the widget. And that's all it takes. Now let's see it in action. Oscar and Hugo log into their accounts thanks to UBO's AI-driven sports widget. Oscar is immediately presented with esports and table tennis, aligning with his interests. Hugo, meanwhile, sees football and basketball, tailored to his preferences. This level of personalization allows for instant access to favorite sports, streamlining the betting process and enhancing user satisfaction without the hassle of prolonged searching. This is just a glimpse on how AI functionality can further elevate your iGaming platform, promising the future where player experiences are not just responsive, but predictive, keeping users engaged and loyal. Hello, how everything's going? Did you set up recommendations okay?
Hi there! Absolutely, it's been fantastic. Our player retention and engagement have soared since they started seeing sports recommendations tailored to their interests.
That's great to hear. Speaking of improvements, we've just rolled out a new feature aimed at streamlining the KYC processes. Interested in coming by to check it out?
That sounds intriguing, especially since we've faced some challenges with KYC, Know Your Customer, and manual player verification recently. In the current regulatory landscape, it's crucial to avoid any slip-ups.
Exactly our thought. We aim to help our clients simplify these processes securely and efficiently. Swing by the GR8 TECH garage and we'll ensure your business remains fully compliant with these.